So I've had TMJ for better part of 30 years. And most recently, over the last 4 or 5 years, I've had sleep apnea. So I've been seeking treatment to improve my sleep. And recently was prescribed a CPAP machine, which has helped to some degree, but I'm still finding myself having some disruptions. So part of it is, obviously, you guys have been great at taking care of my more oral health, but there seems to be a relationship to my TMJ and sleep. And as we got into the conversations, Dr. Kumar had suggested maybe we pursue this device, which I had something similar many years ago that I found I just couldn't work with, a different kind of appliance. So I was willing to go ahead and give this a shot with Dr. Kumar, and the results have actually been really well turning out for me, in the respect that I've actually been sleeping through the night more consistently, which I had not prior to having this device. So it's really transformed even my daily habits, because now I'm sleeping through the night and having a restful sleep, whereas I was not prior to having this appliance. It actually was very easy to adjust to. I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to sleep with it, especially with the use of a CPAP. But actually, I found that the combination of the two is very complementary, because my jaw placement while I sleep is much more consistent now, and I believe that has a lot to do with my airway being open. I don't know that in doctor's terms, but I just know I can recognize I'm much more comfortable. Yes, so again, within 3 weeks, these are the outcomes that I've noticed for me, is that prior to using this appliance, I'd have to actually sleep longer to make up the difference of the lack of sleep. So for instance, I'd be in bed 9 to 10 hours and still not feel rested, whereas now I'm actually getting out of bed within 7.5 hours and feeling rested. So that's a big outcome. Secondly, I don't feel sluggish in the evening, which I was feeling sluggish and feeling like I needed a nap. I don't have that anymore. I'm fine through the day. I fall asleep at night, and everything's much better. So those are the kind of outcomes that are different for me, that have made a difference for how I function through the day.